Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to use Visa gift card on Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application. You can see over here Shein has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure to add the items to cart. If you do not know how to add it, simply tap on the item and tap on the option add to cart. Now what you have to do is tap on the cart icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to the cart interface. Make sure to select the items that you would like to purchase. Now tap on this option checkout that you can see on the screen. Now in the checkout interface, you'll be able to use the Visa gift card. Make sure to select the shipping address and shipping method over here. Mine is selected by default. So if you want to add the Visa gift card, it is actually very simple. Basically, you'll have to add it like a credit or debit card. So over here, you'll be able to find this section for payment method. Tap on this option credit or debit card that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, tap on this option place order that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, what you have to do is simply enter your card details. So look into your Visa gift card and enter the card number, expiry date and security code. Also provide the informations that they ask for. Now follow through the prompts like you usually do while placing the order. Now the gift card will be added and you'll be able to get the discounts and offers. So that is how you use Visa gift card on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.